Greetings, film literature scholars. I would like to take this opportunity to walk you through your February 15th DLD, if you don't mind. That's what we're going to do right now. I tell you what, you're going to start out by taking attendance. It's important to be present. It's important to be here. It's important to not have that unexcused absence next to your name. You will then watch this video that I am recording right now. You'll meet Liam. He's a pretty cool dude. Know him very well. He met him a few years ago. He's an interesting cat. You will then complete a series of discussions with your classmates. Should you desire, feel free. If you want to comment on others, you can even like, you can do all that good stuff. But we will have a discussion. Liam will take part in said discussion. And then you'll see a module completion page. Make sure you've done this by Tuesday, February 18th at 11:59 p.m. If you have questions, you know how to find me. My email is there as well if for some reason your Canvas breaks down. You're going to complete this attendance check. Very important. Make sure that you do this. The instruction here is this video you'll be watching. This will be housed here as soon as I get it done. You'll then be introduced to the DLD. This is my friend Liam. He had great wardrobe on this kid. He talks about his mother a lot. Bit of a ladies' man, bashful young guy. But he's from Dublin, Ireland. He's an interesting guy. Big fan of film and literature as well. He kind of shares some of his experiences and preferences with you as well. You will partake in this discussion about your ideal film experience. Feel free to be as creative as you would like there. Liam will also share with you here. Notice he's changed clothes. His ideal film experience is in like candlelight dinner and something about some girl named Monica. He's a weirdo. In your opinion, what is the greatest book or film that's ever been made? No, that's a hard one. By the way, think about the final, right? You get to pick any combination of a text that has become a movie or vice versa. Order doesn't matter. Liam will share that with you. He's a bit of a romantic, so I think some of you will probably not be surprised. He's changed again, right? He's now Lakeside. Some of you probably will not be surprised by this point. You've gotten to know him fairly well. What his selection is. I think some of the ladies specifically, you'll appreciate what he has to share. And then Liam, he's going to be sad. So he's going to say goodbye to you. He realizes how far away he is. There's a body of water, by the way, between Ireland and us. And I'd like some feedback. And again, I have some things that I do for sure every year, every semester that I am going to do. But I like, because it's an elective and you're upperclassmen, I like to know what you're interested in, what you would like to see from me and from the course moving forward. So if you can give me some feedback, and again, if it's constructive criticism, that's fine, right, Flint? And try to stop using the word right. Let me know. You'll see a module completion page, and that's what we're working with, people. So have a great weekend. Partake in the discussion. Enjoy Liam. He's a good dude. So, hey, we'll see y'all next week. Be ready to present if you did not present today in class. See you.